Good evening and good morning everyone. Today I'm going to cook for dinner eggplant delicious adobo for our dinner. First thing, add oil. And then deep fry the half-cooked eggplant. So you have to add the eggplant, guys, and you have to fry it half-cooked. So the reason I put this, guys, so it's not got mash or mushy when you cook the adobo. So this is very delicious, very simple and delicious. You need to try it, guys. So now you turn the eggplant. As you can see, the eggplant is look brown now. So don't overcook the eggplant or because it get burned. So now you have to put away in the plate. At the same process, guys. It's the same process. So you have to add the second batch of the eggplant and please subscribe, like, share, and leave comments, and don't forget the notification bells. So every time I upload a video and you always update it. And as you can see, the oil is dry, then I add oil. Not much because it's good thing if your frying pan is sticky. Because it's not get stick. So now you have to put the eggplant. Same process again, another 3 batch. And you need to try this because it's very delicious and very simple. So as you can see, I add a little bit oil. It's easy to get dried up. Eggplant is easy to get easy to suck the oil. So that case, when you say the oil is dry, then you have to add a little bit, not much. So I turn the eggplant. If you want something, guys, if you want to add meat, then you can stir fry the pork or chicken, whatever, or beef, the eggplant. If you have no meat, you can't afford to buy meat, then you can stir fry with a fish or dried fish. It's really good, guys. Eggplant is a good benefits for you and is very healthy. Fiber. So now the eggplant is already finished air fry. So I add 1/2 tablespoon of oil and then 1/2 onions chopped. And 4 cloves of garlic. And you have to stir it, making sure the garlic and onion a little bit cook. So add the fried eggplant, which I fried half cooked. See, as you can see, it's still whole, the eggplant that you slice. It's like the long of your finger, the size of your finger long. And then you have to add 3 leaves of bay leaves or laurel and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Of course, 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoon of beef powder. If you have no beef powder, you can add the beef cube or chicken cube or pork cube, or 2 tablespoons of sugar, guys, either brown or white. So now you have to mix it really well. So the eggplant is a little bit half cooked, so you can simmer it until you estimate maybe like 3 minutes. So you have to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, any kind of soy sauce, but I use the Knorr seasoning Maggi soy sauce, guys, because more bitter, more delicious, I'm sorry. So now you have to stir it all in, and you cover like 3 minutes, and then as you can see, it's the eggplant is still look like fresh and still like, you know, whole. Now you cover 3 minutes and simmer it. So now as you can see, the eggplant is almost ready. And the optional only the chili, hot chili. But if you want like spicy, then you can cut it and put it. But mine, I just put that there for optional, like decoration. If I want to eat hot spicy, then I slice small size. So now after that, as you can see, is I will again simmer it 1 minute. So now the eggplant adobo is ready to serve. Please again subscribe, like, share, leave comment, and don't forget the notification bell and click the all. So every time my video upload, you always updated. Shout out to all my coworker, all my family back home in the Philippines, and also to all silent viewers, subscribers, followers. Shout out to all of you. Thank you so much, especially to those who visiting my channel. Please leave comment, guys, so I can go back as soon as I can. Thank you and God bless. I hope you have wonderful, all of you. Bye. See you in the next video. So looks very yummy. And I'm sure mapakain naman ako nito. Madami naman ang kakainin ko.